Now, when it comes to the overall cryptocurrency market, we know that it has had a very difficult year. And over the last couple of months, it's been getting even more difficult. And over the last couple of weeks, it's been getting even more difficult. But Terra Luna Classic continues to rebuild. But I want to bring up something because there's a little bit of a focus issue. And if you are not focused, you will not achieve your goals. And right now, the goal in the Terra Luna Classic community doesn't necessarily seem to be rebuilding Terra Luna Classic or burning Terra Luna Classic. It seems to be clearing the name of Do Kwon so he can walk back into the Terra Luna Classic project. And I want to discuss this because we've got some very prominent influencers and validators out there that are trying their best to clear the Do Kwon name. So we'll go over this new report, this new audit that is floating around on Twitter right now. What it says about Do Kwon, what it says about Terraform Labs, and what it says potentially about the future of Terra Luna Classic. Because at the end of the day, I don't care what Do Kwon is doing. I don't care anything about him. He is on a different project. He is working for Terra Luna 2.0. We're here to watch Terra Luna Classic grow. So let's discuss it. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trades can get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto-exclusive exchanges, you've got KuCoin and Binance, and trust me, these centralized crypto exchanges they're getting harder to come by day after day. Binance, KuCoin, still good, offering rewards for the more active trader. So check that out, especially if you guys are active traders. Or if you want to get your crypto and be able to send it to a cold storage wallet and so on. So I want to first go over this quote by Do Kwon and really trying to clear his name here. And then we'll jump into the audit and see what the executive summary, because it is a very long audit, so we'll look through the executive summary and see what's going on there. Now, this is Do Kwon speaking here. While there have been multiple recent failures in crypto, it's important to distinguish the difference between Terra's case, where a transparent, open-source, decentralized stablecoin failed to maintain peg parity, and its creators spent proprietary capital to try and defend it, and failure of centralized custodial platforms where its operators misuse other people's money, customer funds, for financial gain. Well, in their situation, financial loss, because they lost it all. We hope this report shows our organization's commitment to transparency and the wider crypto ecosystem, and we are more committed than ever to learn from our failure and continue to build systems that are more transparent, decentralized, and resilient. Your boy Do Kwon. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Sounds very nice that Do Kwon did absolutely nothing wrong. Sounds very nice that Do Kwon didn't abandon Terra Luna Classic. Sounds very nice, this narrative that they're painting right here, that Do Kwon is the good guy. And Do Kwon has never done anything wrong. So, this audit is by J.S. Held. Probably some subsidiary owned by Do Kwon. But nonetheless, we've got the executive summary, and our review of trading records on the blockchain data have revealed this. We're going to just go through this very quickly. This is basically all different transactions that the Terra Luna Classic founders used trying to repeg and defend the depeg of UST in Terra Luna Classic there. Everything that caused it to spiral out of control back in May. So from May 8th to May 12th, LFG, or the Luna Foundation Guard, and Terraform Labs used the following assets to defend the UST price peg. On May 8th, LFG directly sold into Curve Finance UST plus 3 meta pool 26,281,671 USDT and 23 million and some odd number USDC from its reserves to buy 50 million UST. So they were out there buying the UST up as the price was falling down. On May 9th, LFG transferred a total of 52,000 Bitcoin from its reserves, and I'm estimating these numbers here. I'm not going to go through and read every number exact. 52,000 Bitcoin is an estimate from its reserves to Jump Trading for Jump to purchase UST. We analyzed TFL's trading activity by reviewing 1, the total number of UST purchased, and 2, the net amount of UST purchased. So the total amount of UST purchased, or the total basis from May 8th to May 10th, was 1.9 billion UST. And then the net amount that was purchased was 1.4 billion UST. Also on May 10th, TFL received a total 33,206 Bitcoin from LFG as a reimbursement for a portion of the assets TFL spent during the DPEG, or during defending the peg, sorry. LFG transferred 28,206 Bitcoin to TFL's Binance account to jump in 5,000 Bitcoin to the same account and left 313 Bitcoin. I don't know why they left those 313 Bitcoin, but they left those and ended up giving those back to LFG. And let's see here. Now, the net amount of Luna purchased from May 8th to May 11th, TFL purchased a net amount of 7.7 million Terra Luna, or Luna at the time, now Terra Luna Classic, from its cryptocurrency exchange accounts Binance, KuCoin, and Bitfinex. The purchases had the contemporaneous market value of $268 million at the time. And then it just goes to show you the starting balances and the ending balances, where the starting balance of Bitcoin was 80,000, they ended with 313. Binance, they didn't change any of their Binance or their BNB. USDT, they spent all 26 million. USDC, they spent all 23 million. And then they ended up with a lot more UST and Luna than they previously had, starting with 697,000 UST, ending with 1.8 billion UST, starting with 1.6 million Luna, ending with 222 million Luna. And then it goes on to just talk about the background of Terra Luna Classic and so on. Guys, this extremely detailed audit, right, simply shows the transactions that were taking place during those dates. And I'm not going to say that Do Kwon was sitting there and he wasn't trying to defend it. I'm sure that these guys were trying to scramble to stop this DPEG from happening. I'm sure that they were trying to like, if you just think about it, this was a catastrophic failure. Of course, they're going to do anything that they can to try and repeg Terra Luna Classic and UST. But they failed in doing so. And we all know how things progressed afterwards. Instead of rebuilding and so on, they simply went out there and they started Terra Luna 2.0 and left Terra Luna Classic for dead. Guys, it is very strange to me, and I don't know if it's very strange to you, but this community has shifted. The community in Terra Luna Classic has shifted from burning and building to Do Kwon and money. The developers currently want money, and I get it. Everybody wants to make some money, but they're done, right? If they don't get this $4 million wallet, they're done building. They don't care about the future of Terra Luna Classic. They care about getting a paycheck. Do Kwon, seemingly wanting to give them this $4 million wallet, is trying to rebuild his name, rebuild his character. And it's fascinating to me that the Terra Luna Classic community is so obsessed with Do Kwon's name when he's not building this project. I mean, think about it. We don't care what the guys over at Ethereum are doing. We don't care what the Bitcoin boys are doing. We don't care what anybody else is doing for that matter. But everybody's obsessed with Do Kwon and clearing his name. And we need to focus on growth. And I don't think that that's what we're doing right now. So I want to know what you guys think. Is this just another attempt by those that were friends with Do Kwon to kind of recuse him from any problems and rebuild the Do Kwon name up so that one day he can come back in and not only control all of the developers at Terra Luna 2.0, but the strength of the community that we have here at Terra Luna Classic? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And of course, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We're here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance in the description, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.